trick on Thinkorswim to take the guesswork out of option selling. Um, if you're using a ladder, let's bring up a ladder. All right. So let's go to number 9, or we go to number 8, whatever. And we want to we'll show that too. No, what we need to do is get rid of the chart, and we need. Okay, can we put this? All right. Now these are key elements to have, right? Now I'm going to do a video on time and sales shortly, because time and sales is excellent when you use the market orders to know what's going on, but we're not going to go there yet. All right. Now, number one, if you want to know what's going on with your P&L, the summary doesn't work right here. This position summary doesn't work when you're using contracts. So we're going to hide that. We're going to get rid of that. We can use more real estate with the ladder. But if you open up phase score, look in phase score, and you can go to settings, and you can add all kinds of things in the settings, right? What I added was P&L for the day, P&L for the year, position quantity, average trade price. So it tells me what the price of my contract is. It tells me what the percentage up is, how many I've bought into, just in case I buy like 2 or 3 thinking I bought 1, but I bought 2 or 3, I can still exit. I'll know that I still have one going on here. I always double check that type of thing because, quantities can always change. Like you think you're ordering only 1, but maybe you hit the button twice or something weird like that. So, and what my P&L is. So, that's excellent information to have. But the sniper exit, okay, so you're looking at the ladder and you look at the price of the contracts. Price contracts let me get a contract for Tesla real quick. Let's go to trade Tesla. Let's get one in the money. We're going to send this to number 8. I'm going to copy it to we'll go back. So is this Tesla? It's Tesla. Who was it? Who was in the money? And the money is $1,000. So yeah, it was $1,000 call. Yeah, so that's the right one, right? You can also get P&L here though on the right side, but that's P&L. If you the P&L here on the right side, everybody knows about this one, and it'll tell you if you click and exit as the prices are going up and down. If you click and exit, it can tell you how much profit you make, but you don't know how to correlate these prices here with these prices here. These are contracts. This is the stock price. So let's figure that out, right? So we have stock pricing, we have contract pricing. What we want to do is we're going to go to studies. Right? Make sure I clear all the studies. There's no studies there. So I'm going to go to add study. So I click the beaker. Either beaker would have done it. But actually, I don't know if this beaker can do it. So we're not going to worry about it. We'll go to this beaker on the right here. Add study. That's what we want. And we want to go all the way down to compare with. We want to compare it with a custom symbol. Which custom symbol is that? That's the one we copied. That's the contract. Look on the left here. Contract prices now, $35 right here in the center, in the money. The contract is represented in purple, and you can change that if you go to the other beaker. Now we have comparison, and we can change that comparison color, which I would gladly like to change with something not so aggressive. And so now you have a gray color, but you also have this $35 signal here. So as your stock is rising, or maybe I can go with a brighter color. Let's go with a brighter color. So as the stock is rising, I mean, we can actually see a correlation. Now I use the line instead of candles over top of it because I don't have to have an exact. I just want to know where I am. So if I'm going to exit on the ladder, I don't want to exit it. I know we're getting close to where my, drop point is or whatever. What is this a call? Oh, it should be where it ran. Okay, so if I know we're getting close to a point and it's reaching, this is going to move a lot. It's not going to be so static because, contracts change depending on momentum and other factors. So this won't be exactly 46. So you can't know that it's going to go here at 1008 and that $34 is going to be the thing. It just depends on the momentum. This could slow it down a bit. And then it may not run into exactly 34, but as it encroaches in on 34, as it's making this candle, you have a much better idea of how high you're going to get if you think, oh man, I know we can get up to $1,006. So now, wow, you're looking for 34, opposed to 34 something, And so you can play around with the 34s instead of jumping all the way up to, 39. Can I go crazy? Nah, you can't go crazy because it's not here unless you're going to hold for this. You know what I'm saying? So this gives you a better idea of an exit strategy than guessing on the ladder by itself. Anyway, just more tools to play with. All right.